What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's video, I just wanted to say thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing, and we appreciate all the love and support that you guys give us. It's been an absolutely amazing past 2 years, and we couldn't have done it without you, so thank you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the video. Today we are back on the Danger Ranger, and if you watched the previous video, you will know that we need to do a little bit of welding up underneath this fender right here, and also we need to trim out all the underhood parts. As you guys can see, we have a couple of spot welds right there and a couple of spot welds down there that need to be taken care of, and also we have this section under here that needs to be installed. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the body panels, and we are going to finish the welding and then start on the paint work. Now that I have everything sanded down and masked off, we are ready to go ahead and spray the 2K urethane primer that we are going to be using. But before we do that, we are going to throw a little bit of self-etching primer onto the bare metal areas. and then we will mix up the 2K urethane primer. But man, guys, look at this thing. It is coming out so good. Everything is looking really nice. All the areas that were spot welded, everything has been sanded down. We haven't had to put any Bondo down yet. I'm sure there's gonna be a couple of little spots that need putty, but I guess we'll see. All right, so we are ready to trim out all the parts for the Ford Ranger. Paul is going to clean them up real quick with some wax and grease remover. And then we are going to shoot some color on them and go into the shop and spray the rest of the truck. Now that everything is trimmed out, we can go ahead and install the body panels for good and then start installing all the underhood components. But man, guys, check this out. Look how nice it turned out. Look at that, man. It looks like it's never been wrecked. I love it. I was going to put the spot welds back in, but you know, that's a lot of extra work and there's really no reason to do all that. Although I should have put them back exactly where I welded it. That way, if it gets into an accident again, they can drill out those welds again. But you know what? It is what it is. I didn't do it and whatever. Man, look at that frame rail. Everything is looking so good. Look at that. Ford factory. Look at that, man. I love it. Super nice. All right, so before I install all the body panels and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the glass. It's just gonna be easier to do it that way. Door's already off and we won't be able to damage anything. So it's actually perfect. All the cooling components installed, the next step is to go ahead and start on the actual exterior of the vehicle. We need to paint all the body panels that we replaced, as well as blend onto certain panels like this door and this A-pillar. So we need to sand everything down and get it painted, but that's gonna be in the next video, guys. So if you like this video and you wanna see this thing get painted, and I don't know, just hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.